Have you ever walked around your garden and find out how many edible leaves you could find in your garden? So I'm going to see how many edible leaves we could find in our garden, and we are going to make a special dish with it. We are going to start with the Tindora leaves. We can collect the leaves of long beans. I don't know if it is long beans. These are the flowers, and I can see some beans here. Maybe pole beans. This is the Tindora flower. Amaranth. This is very easy to grow. We can collect few parsley leaves also. We have so many kales here. They are growing very well. Very nutritious. You can use in the stir fry or you can use in your salad. The best way to get more amaranth is after you sow the seeds, as they grow, you can remove the big ones and transplant them into different containers. The leaves of the pepper plant also is edible. This is a broccoli. The broccoli leaves are also edible. This is another broccoli. They did not make the broccoli heads yet. I think it is because it is too hot now. These are chives. We can use them for garnishing or we can add in our leaf stir fry also. Chives. Chives are from the allium family or onion family. We can take some curry leaves also. Lavender leaves are also edible. You could use them as you would use the rosemary. Pumpkin that is climbing onto this tree. We can collect few pumpkin leaves also. The tender leaves are very nutritious. Actually, pumpkin flowers are also edible. It's a male flower. These flowers are also edible. We are going to take this beetroot leaves also. Beetroot is a cool season vegetable. We need to plant it again towards the end of the summer. We got 10 different varieties of edible leaves from our garden. We are going to make a stir fry with it. We actually got 12 different kinds of leaves: kale, amaranth, pole bean, pepper, tindora, broccoli, beetroot, pumpkin, chives, lavender, parsley, and curry leaves. So we will cook 10 of them and we will use parsley and curry leaves for garnishing. I checked them for any insects or bugs and washed all the leaves thoroughly. Now we can chop them all. We are going to keep the curry leaves and the parsley for just garnishing. We are not cooking them. Into the chopped leaves, we are adding half a cup of grated coconut and half teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We are going to mix everything well. Since we are adding the coconut before cooking, the leaves will not clump together. Into the heated pan, we are adding about a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, onion, garlic and dried chilies. We can add the leaves now. We can cook it in the low flame for not more than 3 to 5 minutes. You can garnish it with parsley and curry leaves. This is highly nutritious because this has the nutritious benefits of 10 different varieties of leaves. You should definitely try this.